pouring some tea into the cup. Sip. She is sipping the hot tea slowly. Toast. Let's toast some bread in the toaster. Spread. I like to spread butter on my toast in the morning. Squeeze. She is squeezing a lemon. Break. Break the eggs into a glass bowl. Weigh. Weigh the flour on the scale. Measure. You can measure the water with a measuring cup. Mix. Mix the batter together until it is smooth. Put. Put the frying pan on the stove. Make. She's making pancakes. Layer. Layer the pancakes on the plate. Wash. Be sure to wash the fruits before eating them. Peel. Tom is peeling the potatoes. Dice. Dice the potatoes into cubes. Dip. I like to dip my fries in ketchup. Crush. Grandma is crushing the garlic in the kitchen. Prepare. Alice is preparing a taco. Sprinkle. Sprinkle the top of the dish with some pepper. Decorate. She is decorating the cake with fresh strawberries. Flip. He is flipping the food in the pan. Microwave. Microwave the soup for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Refrigerate. Refrigerate the strawberries to keep them fresh. Freeze. Freeze the vegetables as fast as possible to maintain quality. Blend. Use a blender to blend the fruits into a smooth consistency. Heat. Heat the oven for a few minutes before use. Roast. Roast the turkey for 2 hours. Sharpen. Mike is sharpening the knife. Add. Add seasoning for flavor. Cut. She is cutting the fish into small pieces. Sift. The chef is sifting the flour through a sieve. Roll. He is rolling the dough with a rolling pin. Toss. I love watching him toss the pizza dough in the air. Grate. I am grating the cheese for the pizza. Top. He is topping the pizza with lots of delicious ingredients. Bake. Bake the pizza in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Cool. Let the pizza cool down for at least 4 minutes. Carve. Carve the meat into slices. Mash. Mash the potatoes with a potato masher. Tenderize. Tenderize the meat with a meat tenderizer. Barbecue. During the summer, we barbecue all the time. Simmer. Let the soup simmer a few minutes. Melt. Melt the butter over low heat. Fry. I am frying an egg. Scramble. Everyone knows how to scramble eggs. Sauté. Sauté the vegetables in the olive oil. Boil. The water is boiling. Slice. Be careful when you slice the vegetables. Stir. She is stirring the soup with the ladle. Taste. This soup tastes good. Light. Light the stove to cook your food. Cover. Cover the pot with a lid. Remove. Remove the pot from the heat. Turn off. Turn off the heat. Steam. Steam the vegetables and fish until just tender. Whisk. The chef is whisking the cream. Chop. He is chopping the onions on the chopping board. Drain. Drain the pasta before you eat it. Rinse. Rinse with cold water. Uncork. Let's uncork the champagne and celebrate. Serve. The people are being served dinner in the restaurant.